Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Pro watch, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the GloryFit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. And on this page you should see your R3 Pro right here at the top. And once you do, you can tap on the watch faces option. Here, tap on the custom dial option. And then tap on this watch face right here. And right here we can customize our watch face. We can select the background, so you can tap on select image, and you have options like take picture and album. If you select take picture, it will open the camera app. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face. And album option will open a file browser or a photos application on your phone, and you can select the picture from your phone to use as a watch face. So I'm gonna use the album option. As you can see, it opened the file browser. We can open the download folder and select the photo. And once you select the photo, you can crop it. Basically, you can move this frame around. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can rotate it, I think, or maybe not. What this button does. Oh yeah, you can rotate the picture. Okay, and once you're done, basically you need to position this frame, and whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face. So once you're done, you can tap on crop button. You will have the preview of your watch face, and here you can also change the color of the font. And once you're done, you can tap on synchronize dial button right here to sync the watch face to your watch. And once it's done synchronizing, you will see that the watch face will be applied on your watch. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.